English Adventure, Book 3, Chapter 4, Ravi's Pretend Play. Let's get into our favorite fun start. In the picture, you see children playing in the park doing different activities. Write 5 things you like to do or play on your weekends. Ravi wakes up on a Sunday morning and sees the sun shining brightly. But is he ready for his weekend adventure? Let's find out. Ravi's siblings Rohan and Ritu are already up and excited to enjoy their holiday. Little Ravi is in his room pretending to be a pilot flying a plane using his toy plane. Suddenly, Ravi hears a bird chirping. He lands his plane and races outside. Oh, that sounds lovely. The bird's melody seems to be calling me to join the adventure. Ravi thinks to himself, his eyes sparkling with curiosity. Can I have a hat to protect me from the sun? He asks Mom. Mom gives him a hat. The hat is cool and comfortable. Ravi loves it. Rohan and Ritu have already collected some flowers. They take their bicycles and wave goodbye to Ravi. They are off to their friend's home. Ravi goes to the garden. The garden looks like a jungle now. Dad has set up a tent. Ravi crawls into the tent. Now he pretends he is an explorer on a jungle safari. His safari jeep is very fast. The wind blowing through the trees is just the right breeze for Ravi to feel. Suddenly, Ravi smells something fresh. Mom is making tea for Dad. Ravi races out of his tent. Exploring the jungle is tiring, so he wants to drink some juice. He runs back inside. Can I have some juice, Mom? And a little bit of tea in my juice, asked Ravi. No, Ravi, mixing both drinks is not good, says Mom. So Ravi gets a glass of juice. He drinks it up quickly. There is some juice on his face. Mom wipes it off. Soon it is time for Dad to leave for work. Mom gives him some sandwiches. Ravi goes and sits on the stool next to his dad. Can I also have a sandwich, Mom? Mom gives Ravi a sandwich. Dad eats it quickly and leaves for work. Ravi eats his sandwich with a little sauce. Mom and Ravi go back to the garden. He runs to the swing and pretends that it is a spaceship. The spaceship goes whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Ravi's spaceship lands near his grandmother. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Grandma is reading a book. Ravi, are you on a space mission? Have you had anything to eat? Grandma asked Ravi. Yes, Grandma. I had a sandwich and juice. It was yummy, says Ravi. Ravi then takes his spaceship back to the garden for more adventures. Let's get into our favorite grammar adventures. We have learned in the previous lesson that when verbs talk about actions that happened in the past, they take conjugations like ed, d. Remember, many words are spelled differently when used in simple past. Example, go, went, sing, sang, break, broke, etc.